This evening, we take a closer look at the impact of crime and violence on families in some of the areas now under a state of public emergency. Anthony Lugg has our first report. He visited Grandville in St. James, which has been plagued with crime for months.
Yet another state of emergency in St. James, and the question you may ask is, why are we here? Well, the people here will tell you that crime is growing rampant, which takes us to this very location in Sun Valley, Melbourne, where Raldane Malcolm was shot and killed by gunmen posing as police after they kicked in his door. But they didn't stop there. The men later returned and set his house ablaze. About 15 minutes away is the community of Grandville. When we visited on Tuesday, it resembled a ghost town. We tried speaking with a few residents, but most were reluctant, citing fear as the main reason. We managed to speak with a family who has been directly affected by the ongoing violence. They made it clear that this has been their reality for quite some time.
You're going to mess me up. You're going to mash me up. I think about night and day. I'm not eating, I'm not functioning. I'm easy and talking to you guys, but believe me, I'm nervous.
Grandville is the same community where 68-year-old Ainsworth Buckner and 27-year-old O'Shane Brown were killed on September 26. Gunmen went to the premises, murdered Brown, and later set 3 houses ablaze. Mr. Buckner was burnt to death after being trapped inside his house. His daughter fight the tears as she spoke with me.
The video just broke down. Right now, I just break down. I'm not using. You know, my father like a best friend.
Like this family in Grandville, others are bemoaning the bloodletting which has blanketed the community like a dark cloud. They say it's worse at nights.
The soldier and police present not around in the night. I know, say when a person doing bad thing, the night is a better time for you than one in the day.
But he says me around gunshot, so I was afraid, I was scared bad.
We observed police patrolling the area, and while that may bring some level of calm, it's going to take much more to address the concerns of residents in St. James.
The youth them just stop them crap.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.